What this is a high ply cutter. And by high ply, what I mean is it'll cut up to 6 centimeters. Basically, just like the rest of the equipment we have a CAD station located over here that is kind of the brains of this whole operation right here. Now what you see back through here is how we lay our fabric down. We lay it based on what the customers order. We don't cut any stock, so everything you see is going to somebody. It will be built in our assembly plant next Monday.
I'm Olin Price, quality engineer with England Furniture, and I'm involved with fabric testing and evaluation. Fabric introductions undergo 10 areas of evaluation to ensure standards of quality, strength, and durability are achieved before the fabric can be approved as a product cover fabric. A number of tests are conducted to measure the durability and the strength of the fabric.
What you see here is the remnants of a sheet of plywood. Of course, the sheet of plywood is a 4x8 piece of solid wood, and as you can see, when we're done, there's not a lot left. We do what we call a kit cut, which means when it comes off of this machine, it is a full piece of furniture. But all this wood that you see here that doesn't go into our product will go into a big grinder. We try to recycle everything. In the furniture business, we've been doing that for a long time. Fabric, cardboard, fiber, wood, and we do that to keep this out of the landfill. What we do is we run 9-man upholstery lines. This is where the frame starts. The buggy comes down from our plant 6. You see all the CNC cut parts. And what our frame builder does is he starts putting everything together. The next operation, you'll see we start putting on the top rails, or we put on the half moons, we put in the spring rails. We try to divide these operations so that it flows like a continuous flow. Once they lock that spring rail in, those things aren't going anywhere.
I'm Terry England, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations, which includes the logistics. And we have our fleet of trucks. We deliver all the time, every time, and we measure that. And for the last several years, we've been better than 99% committed to our promise. And our promise is in October, we publish a printed schedule promising our dealers that we will visit them 50 times a year. We have 100 tractors and 400 trailers, and with the selection of 75 groups and 400 covers delivered anywhere in 21 days and west of the Rockies in 28 days, all provinces of Canada and about 9 foreign countries. We operate on a very disciplined schedule. When it goes into production, it ships. And we're pretty pleased with everything from the cutting of the parts and the materials here in New Tazewell, Tennessee, right down to the logistics of shipping out of our own warehouses on our own private fleet.